Hi, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. This video is gonna be a quick and short video showing you what I bought in the Sephora Savings Event this year. I actually filmed this video yesterday already and I was gonna include it in one of my vlogs, but I lost the entire clip. So I'm gonna re-record it now and post it as its own dedicated video. So if you wanna see more behind the scenes of what I've been doing throughout the past week, you can go to my channel and look at my vlogs, but this video is just gonna be strictly about what I bought in the Sephora Savings Event. So I hope you enjoy it, or it's helpful to see some things on me. I'm gonna be trying a little bit the new things that I bought that I've never tried, and I'll show you my second reaction now since I've already opened it and used it yesterday a little bit, but I'll show you anyway. So sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy. So I have the box here, and of course I already opened it. This is everything that I got. It looks like a lot, but a lot of it are actually samples. At Sephora you can get free samples with your beauty points, or you get some really little samples. So I'll show you everything that I got. I'm gonna start with the things that I actually bought first. The first thing I'll show you is this Mary Phillips Underpainting Face Palette, and I actually went to the store last weekend because I wanted to plan what I wanted to buy and swatch things in person and see them up close. I wasn't planning to buy this, but I've been seeing people post about it, so I swatched it at the store and I was really impressed with the quality, the finish, and like the coverage that it gives. So basically it comes with a color corrector, 2 highlight shades, and 2 contour shades. You can see here. And you basically like mix and match to find your perfect shades. There's 3 palettes, the light, medium, and deep. So I got the medium one, and this is what it looks like. So the packaging is like really nice and sleek, although fingerprints show a little bit. And this is what the back looks like. And it comes with a really nice mirror as well. Those are the shades. So as you can see, I already used it yesterday, but I'm gonna try it out again with you today. Yesterday, I didn't have any of my makeup brushes because I had just washed them, so they were too wet still. So I have my makeup brushes today at least. I'm actually gonna pin my hair back so it's out of the way because I just hair wrapped it and it's like in my face. First, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of sunscreen. It's like a moisturizer also, just so my face is not completely dry and it's a little primed. So I'm just gonna go in. I'll start with the color corrector under my eye, and then I'll do some of the highlight shades in the high points of my face, and then the contour. I'm gonna start with this brush from Sephora. You can also pick this up in the sale right now. Anything from the brand Sephora is actually 30% off, so that's a great deal. So every time there's a sale, I like to pick up one of their brushes. I'm gonna go in with the color corrector first. So yesterday when I tested it out, I didn't have my brushes, so this is the first time trying it with actual brushes. The reason I was so impressed with it at the store is because I thought the color payoff was really good, and it also has like a nice blurring effect. And this is meant to be used under foundation as just like a base layer before you put the light application of foundation over. So I thought it would be good for travel to have like all the shades of cream products that you need in one. And I have some travel coming up, or like a wedding in January, so I thought this was a good thing to buy. And I usually like to do a very light layer of makeup. I've been liking a lot lighter coverage recently. My skin's been pretty clear, so I thought this would be good to have. I haven't applied too much, but I think my skin already looks a little bit better. Next, I'm gonna show you the brush that I picked up from Sephora. So I got brush number 47, and I thought it would be good to use with the contour shades in the Mary Phillips palette. So I got this brush, and it comes with like this netting on it now. Before it would just come with a piece of plastic at the top. This would be good to keep if you want to keep the shape of your brushes. So I got number 47. And it's pretty similar to the one that I was just using. This one is like the smaller concealer version of that brush. And this one is like a little bigger, but I thought it would be good for the cheekbone area. Let's try it out. I'm just mixing the two deeper shades. It's very pigmented. I love this brush for that. Mary Phillips also came out with a brush, but it was a little expensive, and I thought I really like the Sephora ones because they're really good quality, but also they're 30% off during the sale, so that's why I got this one instead. And Mary Phillips is a celebrity makeup artist. I didn't really know anything about her before her makeup brand came out. I've heard a little bit, but not a lot, and the only reason that I actually wanted to buy it was because I tried it in the store. But everyone's had really good things to say about it so far. I'm just like lightly using this today because I'm not actually going anywhere, so I don't need heavy makeup today or anything. Next, I'll show you some blushes that I got. So I got two blush sets. I got the Merit Blush Balm Trio, and these are mini versions of their blushes. And I also got the Blush and Glow Set from Saie. So I already have one Merit blush that I really like, and it's like a full-size version. But I saw this one at Sephora, and I swatched the shades, and I thought they were really nice and versatile. There's like a very pink shade, a more like brownie pink, and then like more of a terracotta sort of shade. So I thought those were really good and handy to have also for travel coming up. And I'll be doing my friend's makeup at the wedding that I'm going to, so I thought it would be handy to have some extra small size blushes that I can take with me and use on different skin tones. And then I picked this up because I swatched it at Sephora and I thought it was really nice, especially the glowy super gel. So I've never tried any Saie products before, but I see everybody raving about them, so I thought I would give this a try, and it's a pretty good value. $30 for two of these products, and they're like liquid blush and highlighter shades, which I don't have many of either. I think they'll last a long time. I want to swatch the Merit blushes for you and the Saie products, and then I'll decide if I want to put any on. So I haven't opened this yesterday, so this will be my first time. I mean, I already swatched it at the store, but it'll be my first time trying it here. And the packaging is very pretty. This is like one of their holiday sets that they come out with. So it's a really nice gift set if you want to gift it to someone. So first I'll swatch Redux. This one's like a more terracotta shade. And I have Postmodern. That's a more like a reddy brown shade. And then this is Le Bon Bon, which is like a very pink shade. So those are the three shades, and they're very different to the one I have now. I'll show you. So I have Fox right now, and it's like a very browny shade here. So it's a little similar to this one, but this one's a little more corally, I think. More of a brick shade. Those are the Merit blushes. I wish I had something to wipe this off now. But actually, I'll just go in with my brush on the back of my hand, mix all of the shades and use them. Just very lightly. I'm gonna open the Saie blush set now as well. So this is the Saie blush. So I got this particularly for the highlight shade, but I thought the blush shade was nice neutral pink and would be versatile to have as well. That's the blush shade. The blush shade is Lady, and then this is the Warm Glow Glowy Super Gel. Just gonna use my brush to blend this out a little bit. So that's what it looks like. So you can see how pretty that is. It's like a little bit of a golden highlight. The rest of the blush on as well. Those are also mini sizes, so it'll be good for travel as well. So the next products that I'll show you are all eyebrow products. This is the Sephora Insta-Brow Waxy Pencil, and every time there's a Sephora sale, I pick one of these up because I love using this, and if I could use this every day, I would, but it runs out pretty quickly. This time they were 50% off for some reason, so I got 2 of them, and they were also 30% off, so that was a really good deal. Maybe I should have gotten more, but hopefully these will last a little bit. And these are just really good for like filling in your brows. It has a pretty thick pencil, so you can like draw in very easily your hairs. I'm not gonna open it and put it on now because I don't really need it for being at home, but I will use one of these brow gels right now. So I got 2 brow gels. I got the Anastasia Brow Freeze Gel, and I've had this one before as well. I've gotten it like twice before, and I really like this brow gel because it really holds your brows in place and is really good for like if you're doing your makeup and you really want it to last. This is like a really good product because it really keeps it in place. And then I got this Rare Beauty brow gel to try. I think it's a new product and I haven't tried it before, but I did try it on in the store and I liked it. I think it's pretty similar to the Refi brow gel, and I have that one and I like it, but I wanted to try something else because that one sometimes it like dries up and becomes like white when you put it through your brows. I've heard that this one doesn't do that, so I wanted to give this one a try. So I'm gonna apply this, and the product's actually clear. The Refi one is white, so that's part of the reason why it leaves your brows looking white. This one's not as much of a hold as the Anastasia one, so this one will be good for more of like everyday sort of use, and the Anastasia for special occasions. So that's why I got both. The next and last makeup products that I'm going to show you are 2 lip liner products. I've never tried anything from Rhode, so I wanted to pick up one of their lip liners to try for the first time. I didn't see them in stores, so I couldn't swatch them, but I got the shade Lean. I thought it was like a good brownie shade, and I thought it would be pretty similar to lip liners that I have already. I actually love the Sephora Rouge Gel lip liners, but they actually discontinued them, so they don't make them anymore, I guess. I wanted to get like some new lip products to try out before those run out. So yeah, I got the Peptide Lip Shape from Rhode in the shade Lean, and this is what it looks like. I did try it yesterday, of course, and I actually really like the shade. It's very pretty. It's like a nice brown. I'll show you the other product that I got, and maybe I'll use that one just a little bit. So the next thing that I got is from Huda Beauty, and it's a kit that comes with 2 of their products. The one that I really wanted to try out was the lip contour stain, and this is in the shade Soft Nude, and everyone raves about this. And so I wanted to give it a try, and I did swatch it at the store, and it was really good. So it looks a little pink on the applicator, but it's actually like brown shade as well. So it's a little similar to the Rhode color, but different at the same time. It's more browny. That's the Huda Beauty one, and that's the Rhode one. I'm gonna put just a little bit of this on. And this is good because it lasts a really long time. Like I swatched it yesterday in my hand, and it just came off this morning. I'm just not sure how long this marker tip is gonna stay wet, like how much product there actually is in this, so we'll see. Yeah, it's really pretty. And then the kit also came with this full filler jelly oil. So it's a lip oil in the shade Juicy Peach. So it smells like a peach. It's a really nice product, really liquidy, but it feels nice on the lips. And it tastes like a peach. Or it smells like a peach. The last products that I got were some hair products. I got a new deep conditioning mask for the shower because I'm running out of the one that I've been using and I wanted to try something new. So I got this Absolute Repair Molecular Mask from L'Oreal. It has peptides bonder and 5 amino acids. I saw that Sephora has some L'Oreal products and I think they're like a higher end range of what L'Oreal offers, but I thought it would be interesting to try and see if it's actually a good product. It was pretty expensive for a drugstore brand, but I'm guessing this is like a much higher quality product. Next, I got this Instant Recovery Serum from JVN, and I actually have the mini size of this that I got earlier this year, and I really like it and I'm almost done with it, so I wanted to get the full size. So it comes in like this nice glass jar packaging, and I really like all of JVN's products. I've tried a lot of them. I like the texture of this a lot, so I wanted to get something like this that would be good for like my split ends. The last thing that I actually bought is this Color WOW Flexible Hairspray. I don't have any hairsprays at the moment, so I wanted to give this one a try. I'm actually gonna try it out now since I air wrapped my hair this morning. I haven't tried it yet. It's a really nice spray. A little bit. Okay, so that's everything that I bought. Let me take my clips out. So the last things that I have in this box are some samples that I got, either with my Sephora points or just free samples that they offer. So these are the free samples that I got. They're just little pouches. One's the Summer Fridays Vitamin C Eye Cream, and this is the Sulwhasoo Gentle Cleansing Oil. So I've never tried anything from either of these brands, so I thought these would be good to try. And then I got the L'Oreal, the same shampoo from the range of the deep conditioner that I got. So I thought this would be good for travel, and it's a pretty good travel size bottle. And then from WOW, I got the anti-frizz cream to try. Not sure how this works, but I wanted to give it a try. It says you can just apply a small amount to clean damp hair. So maybe this is before you style your hair. And then I got the WOW body cream. Never tried this either. The last two things are from Caudalie. So I got the Caudalie eye cream, and I got this Caudalie best-selling minis. So it comes with the gel cleanser, dark spot serum, and the eye cream. I've tried one other Caudalie product before, the resveratrol lift serum, and I really liked it. I think Caudalie has really good high quality products. I haven't bought anything full size to try yet, so I thought it would be good to try out some more minis and see if there's anything that I would want to get in the future. So that is it for my Sephora haul. As I said before, I like to buy during the sale, so I don't really shop too much throughout the year on Sephora, but whenever they do have a sale, I like to pick up either things that I know that I like and I've run out of, or things that I want to try but I really think about it, so I'm not just buying a bunch of makeup every week. I really like to plan out my buys and what I'm gonna get. So yep, I hope you liked my little full face of all products that I just bought, testing out. I actually really like how it looks. It's like very natural. I really love makeup and like trying out all the different products that come out, finding some new products that I love. So this is always really fun for me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful seeing some of the products that are available at Sephora right now. And I hope you were able to pick up some things that you love as well in the sale. If you didn't, don't worry. There's always, I think there's usually 2 sales a year, these Sephora Savings Events, so you can always wait until the next one. And I'll show you the lip liners. They don't come off. The Rhode one does, but not the Huda Beauty one. Okay, that's enough rambling. I have to get to work now. I will love you and leave you. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I hope you subscribe for more. Check out my vlogs. That's where I show you more of like my life and my day-to-day and everything that I get up to. and you'll see more of like my everyday makeup looks or whenever I decide to get ready with the camera. Thank you for watching. Bye!